Hello students, today we will do how to change voice. Okay, so we have learned many things. Today we will do voice change. At first we will do according to the tense. So at first you look at the diary and you will find how to do the changes. Present tense, okay, simple present tense. So rules হচ্ছে কি first subject, next be verb, next past participle form of the main verb, that means the pp form, next the by, next the object. So we are turning from active to passive voice. So we all know that in a sentence there is a subject, verb and object. So what we have learned, an object may be a person or a thing. So in this sentence, I like ice cream. Okay, I is subject, like is verb and ice cream is object. But when we do voice change, we take the object as subject. That means we use the object as a subject. Then if this is in simple present tense, that means the sentence in simple present tense, then we will write is according to the subject, that means be verb according to the subject. Here the subject is ice cream, so we have written here is. Next, the past participle form of the main verb, like is the main verb, so past participle form is liked. Then we add a by, then object. Okay, so I is the subject, I subject turns into object me. So what is the answer? Ice cream is liked by me. Okay, next look at the second sentence. The farmers plow the land. So the answer is, the land is the object in this sentence, so the object will become subject, the land. Next, what we will write? A be verb. Which be verb we should write here? We should write is, because the land is third person singular number. Okay, sorry, the land is singular subject, so we will write here is. Next, the past participle form of the main verb is plow, is plowed. Okay, next we add a by, then the subject is as object, the farmers. So this is very easy. At first we will write subject, then be verb according to the subject, then the past participle form of the verb, then the by, then the object. Now we will learn how to do voice change in the present continuous tense. So rules: subject, be verb, being, past participle form of main verb, by, object. So my mother is cooking rice. In this sentence, my mother is subject, is cooking is verb, but it is in continuous form, and rice is object. So your answer will be rice. Rice is. As rice is singular number, we have to write here is. Next, what we should write here? Being. Next, the past participle form of the verb, cook, cooked, cooked. So cooked. Next, by. Next, my mother. This is the object, so the object turns into subject. Okay, next, they are playing football, so the answer will be football. Next, football is the singular subject, so we are writing here is. Next, being. Next, past participle form of the main verb, play, played. Next, by. Next, they, them. So you have to remember one thing, which thing we are using here as subject. Football is here object, but we use it here as subject. That means the football object turns into subject. And which form it is now? It is in singular form. So we have written here is. So we have learnt the present continuous tense. Now present perfect tense. Rules. Subject has or have been, past participle form of the main verb, by, and object. Active to passive. I have drawn the picture. So in this sentence, I subject, have drawn verb, the picture object. So the object picture has become subject. Next, as the picture is in singular form, so we have written here has. Next, what we should write here? Been. Next, draw is the main verb. So third form or the past participle form of the verb is drawn. Next, by. Next, I turn into, that means the subject I turn into me. Okay. Next, we have learnt voice change. Voice change has been learnt by us. So we have finished the voice